Hey, it's the new year, it's 2019. Welcome back to the channel. Got some great stuff for you. I wanted to get a couple of things out of the way before we go into different mode on this channel. Not different, just better. I made a video about my lights, and I had a key light and a fill light, and I was flipping things off and showing you the fill light, and I was showing you the key light, and I was showing you the hair light and all that stuff, and how to set up all these lights. A bunch of people emailed me, and I had a few comments on my channel about, could you show it to us? Because I didn't really show them. So I'm going to. Here is my cool little camcorder. I made a video about that too. I love this thing. And I'm just going to show you these lights. Let's hit the record button. Hey, we're recording. So I'm standing here, and my lights, if you go to the right, I would say about 45 degrees maybe, and then you go up. That's, if you look at the angle of this camera, that's my key light hitting my face. You can see the things right in front of my eyeballs. That's my key light. Now, if I come over here and I do the same thing and I go to the left, again, I go up, and there's my fill light coming in over here. Now, there's a reason why I do that, is because for me, I wear these things. I wear glasses. I could use contacts. I don't like them. So I need to see the monitor. Sometimes I do a teleprompter, and I need glasses to see that far, not near. So when you have that, instead of having the little light sitting here where you get that beautiful eye light, the solution to that is to take your lights, like I've shown you, move them out to the side, and move them up. There is that light, and there is that light. So what happens is it gets your glass, you know, you've seen those things where you got these white things in the eyes and it's distracting as all hell. Not having a perfect on eye light, this is way better than having those white things in there. Now let's take a look at my hair light, which is behind me. Again, I'll turn around. Here I am filming. This is vertical for me. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 or 6 feet above my head. And it's also sitting on one of those brackets. You've seen these brackets. I'll throw some links in the video description about these things. And that's how I do that. Now, again, what matters is it doesn't matter where these lights are. I have them mounted on the wall. I have that mounted on the wall because I don't like the stands and I don't like a lot of stuff all over the place. That doesn't mean you have to do that. As long as that hair light was sitting right there behind me, let's do a hair light right here. Here's my hair light. As long as I put that right there, that's about 2 feet above my head and about 1 foot back. If I adjust it, that's all the room I need. So now I got 2 feet behind me. Now that light, the same thing. It's sitting right there. If I just brought the thing over here, there we are again. If I put that key light over there, I'm probably 2 feet away from my face over there. At this angle, that one, again, I could put it again 2 feet and dim it. Or as I said in the video, I can just move it back because I'm just trying to fill. That's how I do my lights. That's the space I need. I mean, literally, if I had my arms wide worth of space here, and my arms wide worth of space here, and the back wall was here, I could do this lighting setup just fine. I like this because I have 5, 6, maybe 7 feet behind me. It allows me to get a blurry background and pull me off the wall. It's better. You don't have to have that. I like it because I use a 50mm lens, and again, the camera is about maybe 6, 7 feet away. If the camera was a lot closer, well, I would just use a smaller lens. I'd use a 25mm or something like that. I hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions, I can answer in the comments below, but I did want to show you in response to your comments and your emails where these lights sit and why they sit like that. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.